How to fix Minecraft launcher not opening, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it. All you need to do if you want to fix this problem, only just go to task manager, and now once you're here, click memory to see applications that use your memory. Now close all applications like Google Chrome, and that's it. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just scroll down until you find here Minecraft, and then close the process. If you want to close it, it say that this is Minecraft. Right click and click end task, and that's it. Just scroll down until you find Minecraft, and after that just restart your PC and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.